What happens to waste copper-clad laminate after production? Most people see it as industrial waste, but in fact, it still contains valuable copper and reusable resin fiber. Today, we will show you the complete recycling process of CCL scrap and bare PCB materials. The recycling process begins with the twin-shaft shredder. Large pieces of copper-clad laminate are fed into the machine and shredded into smaller sizes by powerful rotating blades. This step reduces the material size and prepares it for further processing. After shredding, the material enters the crusher for secondary crushing. The crusher breaks the material into much smaller particles, helping to improve the liberation of metal and non-metal materials. Next, the crushed material is transporting into the milling machine. Inside the mill, the material is ground into fine powder, allowing copper and resin fiber to separate more completely. This process creates ideal conditions for high-purity recycling. After grinding, the material passes through the circular vibrating screen. Different particle sizes are screened automatically. Oversized particles are returned for reprocessing, while qualified powder moves to the separation stage. The next step is airflow separation. Using differences in density and weight, the airflow separator efficiently separates heavier copper particles from lighter resin fiber. Finally, the separated materials are collected as copper and resin fiber. The recovered copper can be reused in metal manufacturing and industrial production, while the resin fiber can also be recycled into other industrial materials.